Hello everyone. Today I am going to start the continued topic of profit, loss and discount. Okay, last class we have already seen some formula related to the profit, loss and discount. By using the same formula I am continue with it, and that formula also will help to you to solve some questions from this exercise. Okay. But some formula has added here. The first formula which is given here. See, the first formula is to find SP, that means selling price, when CP, that means cost price, and gain or loss percentage are given. That means we have to find SP if gain percentage is given. Then SP is equal to what? CP into 1 plus gain percentage by 100. Even you can write this formula in the simplest form, which is CP into, take the LCM. So this will be 100 plus gain percentage and whole divided by 100. Okay. Now the second one for the loss, that is B, if loss percent is given by what? SP is equal to CP into 1 minus loss percentage by 100. There is no change in formula, only change in the symbol. There is a plus and there is a minus. Why it is the plus? Since it is the gain percent, and why it is the minus? Since it is the loss percent are given. Even you can write this formula in the simplest form, CP into 100 minus of loss percent divided by 100. Okay. Now the third one, to find the same cheese. Now here we are finding SP, okay, in different conditions. Now we will find the CP by the same conditions when gain percent are given and loss percent are given. To find CP, here is the SP. To find CP when SP and gain or loss percent are given. So gain percent is given. If gain percent is given, then CP will be SP into 100 divided by 100 plus gain. That means just I have simplified this formula from this only. Okay. Now the loss percent is given. Then CP is equal to what? SP into 100 divided by 100 plus loss percent. Now related to this formula, I have one example from the exercise 8B. Question number 6. See, if John sells his bicycle for rupees 637, he will suffer a loss of 9%. For how much should it be sold if he desires a profit of 5%? That means first you identify what are the data we have provided here. That means SP of the bicycle we have, that means 637, and loss percent of the bicycle it is given 9%. Since SP and loss is provided, then CP will be what? So CP is equal to what? SP into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent. Just substitute the values. SP is equal to 637 and loss percent is equal to 9, and calculate this, and this will become what? 700 rupees. That means cost price of the bicycle is equal to 700 rupees. Now the next one, for how much should it be sold if he desires a profit of 5%. That means when profit has given 5% and CP it is what? CP is equal to 700. So SP is equal to what? CP into 100 plus gain percent divided by 100. Replace CP by 700 and gain percent by 5%. And calculate this, and this will become rupees 735 rupees. Is it clear? So I think you are able to understand the solutions of these questions. Now one more questions from the exercise 8C. See the question number 6. By selling 8 pens, Shyam losses equal to the cost price of 2 pens. Find his loss percent. See, try to understand these questions. What is the meaning of these questions? See here, the by selling 8 pens, Shyam losses equal to the cost price of 2 pens. That means whatever cost price will be of 2 pens, whatever cost price will be of the 2 pens, that will be the loss by the Shyam. So let the CP of one pen is equal to rupees 1. So CP of 8 pens will be what? CP of 8 pen is equal to 1 into 8 is equal to rupee 8. And according to the questions, loss equal to the cost price of 2 pens. That means loss is equal to CP of 2 pens. So CP of 1 pen is equal to 1. So CP of 2 pen is equal to what? 1 into 2 is equal to rupees 2. Now we have to calculate, find his loss percentage. So loss percent is equal to what? Loss divided by CP into 100%. Replace loss by rupees 2 and CP is equal to what? 8 into 100%. Just calculate it. So by 4 it will be 2 and it will be 25, and 2 will be cancelled out. So rest of the part, it is the 25% is your answer. Okay, and after these questions, all of you try to solve exercise 8B and 8C as per possibility. Okay, and then after we will start the exercise 8D, that is called that exercises depends on the topic discount. Okay, all of you try to solve the exercise what? 8B and 8C. Do it. Please make a note.